Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Alright, this case is made by Spigen. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid designed for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Alright, this is matte black version. Clear back, you can see that right there. Now, I've used these cases before when I had the Pixel 6. It was a pretty good case. So we're going to check it out for the Pixel 7 Pro and see what it's all about. Now, these are some pictures right here. Good protection, still slim, and you should have pretty good grip. All right. Now, matte black, you can get it in matte black and you get it in clear. $16.99 on Prime. You got a 5% coupon if you check that, and you can get this delivered pretty quickly with Prime. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box, typical Spigen box right there. Nice, simple, easy to open. You got a pull tab right there. Let's pull this out. You got the case right here. Put this to the side. Now Spigen offers these nice pull tabs to easily take off the plastic, so let's go ahead and do that. Pull this plastic off. And you can see you got a clear back. You can see clear through your hands, no problem. Right there, you got a matte side. Power button and your volume up and down rocker, they're open, and you see the opening for the charging port and your speakers right there. And you got a Spigen branding right there, clear on this side, opening for the mic, and you got the camera opening. That's going to be covered, so well protected there. All right, but still slim. Okay, when you got good grip, you got sticky back, and you got the matte side right there. Okay, and you should have some lip for the sides as well in the screen. So let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, and see how it looks. Okay, we got the Google Pixel 7 Pro right here. Let's go ahead and get it, put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, so we got a nice tight fit and nice slim feel. You got good grips on the side, and you got good protection. Now see, here's the back right here. The camera is nicely tapered. It looks good sitting in there with that aluminum back right there. You see you got a clear back with the Google symbol showing right there. And you got the clear back sides, matte up top. The camera's protected, no problem there, but nice and slim. And you got a little finish inside, a little insert that's kind of shiny. You can see you got some lip right there, but nicely tapered, not too much, but it comes up to the side to protect the sides. You still be able to use a screen protector, but it fits good. And you got the opening for the charging port and your speakers. Those fit really nicely as well. No lanyard opening or anything like that, but you got your Spigen branding right there, as you can see. And you got the mic holders lined up pretty nicely right there. You see that. Power button works pretty well, no problem. So you're not going to have a problem there. And it's a pretty nice case. And again, it feels good in the hand, not bulky or anything. Get your hand around there pretty good, and you can hold it, and it's not going to slip. It's not going to slip on you, okay? Now, we're going to get the wireless charger and put it inside. I'll put it on the wireless charger and see how that works, okay? Okay, so we got the wireless charger here, and you put it on. And you're going to get wireless charge. The phone is fully charged, but it did work. Okay. Now let's put this on. So pick that wireless charge again. Let's lay it on the side. Alright, you still get wireless charge. So it charges in all three positions, no problem there. And this charge is a little funny, so if it works on that one, it'll work on anyone. Okay. So no problem there. Now you are going to get some fingerprints on the back because it got that clear back, but you know, for me that's okay. I'm cool. I just wipe it down. I like the clear back without the matte finish and the translucent finish because it's more sticky. You get a better grip with this one. Okay, so I'm glad that Spigen is still doing that and not putting the frosted back or the translucent back or the clear back on the back. I mean, or the matte back on the back of these clear back cases. So I like that. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. All right, great case. They fit really nice. Nice slim feature. Going to give you some protection. You know, it's not military grade drop protection, but it's good. 5 feet or so. Waist drop. It's going to give you protection and not scratch your phone. Okay, but it feels good in the hand. You got good grip, and you're not going to have any problem there. All right, now I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.